Welcome to our detailed tour of the Volker Spiegelkotter 1150, a classic Dutch steel motorsailer that perfectly blends elegance, functionality, and seaworthiness. Built in 1992 and refitted in 2005, this yacht is a fine example of Dutch craftsmanship, offering not only durability and performance but also a refined and inviting living environment. Today we'll explore all the essential areas of this vessel, from her control systems to the interiors, highlighting the thoughtful design, practical layout, and attention to detail that make her a remarkable yacht. Starting with the outdoor control system, the helm station on deck is designed for both comfort and functionality. The polished wooden steering wheel with stainless steel spokes is positioned for clear visibility over the bow and surrounding waters. The station is equipped with throttle and engine controls, along with a comprehensive set of modern navigation instruments, including a chart plotter, compass, depth sounder, and VHF radio. The cockpit itself is spacious, allowing the skipper to move freely and operate the yacht with ease. Polished stainless steel railings ensure safety while maneuvering, and the bimini frame provides optional shade during sunny days, making long hours at the helm both safe and comfortable. From this position, the skipper can enjoy a commanding view of the deck, sails, and surrounding water, with all essential controls within easy reach, making navigation intuitive even for small crews. Stepping inside to the main salon, the heart of the yacht's living space, the Volker Spiegelkotter 1150 offers warmth, comfort, and functionality. The salon is clad in golden teak paneling and flooring, with visible wood grain that gives a sense of craftsmanship and quality. A U-shaped settee surrounds a varnished teak dining table, providing a cozy space for meals, conversation, or planning routes. Large aluminum-framed windows fill the space with natural light and offer panoramic views of the surroundings, enhancing the sense of openness. Polished stainless steel handrails and subtle ambient lighting under cabinets contribute to a safe and inviting environment, while built-in storage ensures the area remains organized. This is a space designed for both relaxation and practical living aboard, allowing for comfortable socializing during longer voyages. Adjacent to the salon, the indoor control system, or pilot house, provides a fully equipped and protected helm for operating the yacht from inside. The polished wooden wheel is paired with engine controls and an array of navigation instruments, including high-resolution chart plotter, autopilot controls, depth sounder, and VHF radio. Large windows provide excellent visibility while the warm teak paneling and cabinetry create an inviting atmosphere. Subtle lighting under cabinets enhances usability during evening passages, and every instrument and control is arranged logically for ease of use. This indoor helm ensures that sailing can continue comfortably in adverse weather, while still maintaining full control over the yacht's systems. The kitchen or galley is thoughtfully designed for functionality and comfort, making it ideal for extended cruising. Teak cabinetry provides ample storage, while stainless steel countertops are both practical and visually appealing. The built-in sink, stove, and oven are positioned for efficient meal preparation, and drawers and cupboards allow utensils, cookware, and provisions to be neatly organized. Large windows provide natural light, reflecting off the polished surfaces to create a bright and welcoming workspace. Attention to ergonomics ensures that everything is within easy reach, making the galley both practical and enjoyable to use even while underway. Moving to the private living spaces, the master cabin is a retreat of comfort and elegance. The spacious double berth is dressed in crisp white linens, and the surrounding teak paneling and cabinetry enhance the sense of warmth and quality. Built-in storage solutions, including drawers, shelves, and lockers, provide ample room for personal belongings, keeping the cabin tidy and functional. Soft lighting under cabinets and reading lamps create a cozy ambiance, while large portholes allow natural light to illuminate the space. This cabin is designed to be a serene and restful environment for longer journeys, offering both privacy and comfort. Guest cabins are similarly well appointed, offering twin or single berths with storage solutions integrated seamlessly into the teak paneling. Comfortable cushions and subtle decorative touches make these cabins inviting for family members or friends. Large windows ensure a bright and airy atmosphere, while ambient lighting enhances usability during evenings. The attention to detail in every cabin reflects the yacht's overall commitment to quality, functionality, and comfort, ensuring that all guests enjoy a pleasant onboard experience. The bathroom or head is compact yet highly functional, equipped with a marine toilet, stainless steel sink, and mirrored cabinet. Teak paneling and anti-slip flooring provide durability and style, while polished stainless steel fittings enhance both functionality and visual appeal. A small porthole allows natural light to enter, and ambient lighting under cabinets adds warmth to the space. This thoughtful design ensures that even the most utilitarian areas of the yacht are comfortable and aesthetically pleasing. Finally, the engine room is organized and practical, reflecting the yacht's emphasis on reliability and ease of maintenance. The marine diesel engine is mounted on vibration damping supports and surrounded by stainless steel and aluminum piping, ventilation ducts, and electrical systems. Battery banks and monitoring panels are neatly arranged for easy access. LED lighting ensures visibility while highlighting the metallic textures and mechanical details. The layout allows for efficient maintenance and inspections, providing peace of mind to owners who prioritize both performance and safety. Overall, the Volker Spiegelkotter 1150 excels in combining classic design with modern functionality. Her steel hull provides strength and durability, while her spacious decks, thoughtfully designed interiors, and well-equipped control systems make her a versatile and enjoyable yacht to operate. The balance of comfort, aesthetics, and practicality ensures that every area, from the helm and cockpit to the cabins and engine room, serves a clear purpose while maintaining elegance. The yacht's performance is equally impressive. Powered primarily by her diesel engine, she achieves smooth and reliable cruising speeds, with fuel-efficient operations suitable for long voyages. Auxiliary sail capabilities provide additional propulsion and reduce reliance on the engine when conditions allow, enhancing the sailing experience and providing quiet, eco-friendly alternatives. The yacht's hull design and moderate displacement offer stability and comfortable motion, even in rougher seas, while her handling characteristics make her manageable for small crews. Whether navigating inland waterways, coastal passages, or offshore stretches, she offers confidence, control, and ease of operation. The unique selling points of the Volker Spiegelkotter 1150 lie in her combination of durability, elegance, and practical design. Every area is designed with the owner's comfort and convenience in mind, from the spacious cockpit and outdoor helm to the refined interiors and functional galley. The yacht is equally suited to leisurely cruises along canals as she is to adventurous offshore journeys, offering versatility that appeals to a wide range of owners. The 2005 refit brought modern upgrades while preserving her classic aesthetics, ensuring that she remains a vessel of timeless appeal with reliable systems. In conclusion, the Volker Spiegelkotter 1150 is a classic motorsailer that embodies the best of Dutch yacht design. Her carefully considered layout, high-quality materials, and attention to detail create a vessel that is both beautiful and practical. From her outdoor and indoor control systems to the main salon, galley, cabins, bathroom, and engine room, she offers a complete package for comfort, performance, and elegance. Whether you are a seasoned sailor or someone seeking a reliable and stylish yacht for extended cruising, the Volker Spiegelkotter 1150 delivers on every front. She is a yacht that inspires confidence, provides comfort, and delivers a truly enjoyable experience on the water, making her a standout choice for anyone passionate about classic motorsailers.